Science is about exploration and discovery. It's about asking questions and searching for answers. The universe is full of wonders, both big and small. Today, we're going on a journey to explore these wonders. Get ready for a cosmic adventure. We'll start our journey by diving into the microscopic world of atoms and molecules. These tiny particles are the building blocks of everything around us. Then we'll zoom out to the vastness of space. We'll explore the incredible number of stars in our universe and learn about the International Space Station, a marvel of human engineering. Everything you see around you, from your phone to your clothes to your own body, is made of atoms. Atoms are incredibly small. Imagine shrinking yourself down to the size of an ant. You'd need to shrink billions of times smaller to see an atom. Atoms are made up of even smaller particles called protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are located in the center of the atom, called the nucleus. Electrons orbit around the nucleus, kind of like planets orbiting a star. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Atoms are mostly empty space. Imagine an atom the size of a football stadium. The nucleus, where the protons and neutrons live, would be like a tiny marble at the center of the field. The electrons would be whizzing around the stadium, far away from the nucleus. If atoms are mostly empty space, why doesn't everything just pass through each other? The answer lies in the forces between the particles. The electrons are held in orbit around the nucleus by a strong electromagnetic force. This force prevents objects from passing through each other. Atoms are social creatures. They like to combine with other atoms to form molecules. A molecule is simply two or more atoms that are held together by chemical bonds. Water, for example, is a molecule made up of two hydrogen atoms and one oxygen atom, H2O. Molecules can be simple, like water, or incredibly complex, like DNA. DNA is the molecule that carries our genetic information. It's a long, twisted, ladder-like structure made up of millions of atoms. Section 5. The human body, a universe within. Our bodies are incredible machines. They are made up of trillions of cells, each one working together to keep us alive. Just like everything else in the universe, our bodies are made of atoms. In fact, there are more atoms in your body than there are stars in the observable universe. The human brain is one of the most complex and fascinating organs in our bodies. It's responsible for everything we think, feel, and do. The brain is a real energy hog, using about 20% of our body's energy, even though it only makes up about 2% of our body weight. Section 6. Our starry neighborhood, billions and billions. Now let's shift our focus from the microscopic world to the vastness of space. Look up at the night sky on a clear night. You'll see thousands of stars twinkling like tiny diamonds scattered across a black velvet cloth. But what you see is just a tiny fraction of the stars in our galaxy, the Milky Way. Our galaxy is home to hundreds of billions of stars. To get an idea of just how many stars that is, imagine a beach covered in sand. Now imagine that each grain of sand represents a star. There are more stars in the observable universe than there are grains of sand on all the beaches on Earth. Section 7. The International Space Station, our home away from home. Orbiting our planet, about 250 miles above Earth's surface, is the International Space Station, or ISS. The ISS is a remarkable feat of engineering and international collaboration. It's a giant laboratory in space, where astronauts from all over the world live and conduct scientific research. The ISS is constantly moving, traveling at a speed of about 17,500 miles per hour. That means it orbits Earth about 16 times every single day. The astronauts on board the ISS get to see some amazing views of our planet. They also experience microgravity, a state of weightlessness, which allows them to conduct unique experiments that wouldn't be possible on Earth. Section 8. Endless discoveries, the beauty of science. Science is not just about memorizing facts and figures, it's about asking questions, exploring the unknown, and making new discoveries. Every answer we find leads to more questions, more mysteries to unravel. This endless quest for knowledge is what makes science so exciting. From the tiniest atoms to the largest galaxies, the universe is full of wonder and beauty. Science is the key that unlocks these secrets and helps us understand our place in the cosmos. Section 9. Keep exploring, the adventure never ends. So keep asking questions, keep exploring, never lose your sense of wonder. The universe is a vast and mysterious place just waiting for you to uncover its secrets. Who knows what amazing discoveries you might make? The adventure of science never ends. Join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies and everything in between.